Hey guys, it's Justine, and a huge thank you to OPPO for partnering with me on today's video. We are getting hands-on with the new OPPO Find X5 Pro, and I am so excited to check this out because, as you guys know, I'm a huge fan of mobile photography and especially video. They really stepped up their game with their new NPU Mari Silicon X chip to power real-time raw processing and HDR video. So I am so ready to test out some photos and videos on this thing, but first, we've got to open it up. Let's go. Okay, I thought it was gonna be right there, but it's not. We have one more layer. The suspense. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at you. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm so hyped about this because this is actually a ceramic back phone, and I'm such a huge fan of ceramic. This looks so sleek. Like the way that they gradually did this camera bump, like it's very smooth. Like this feels like a futuristic spaceship. Check that out. I love the color, I love the shine. Also, I'm always so concerned when I get a device like this that it instantly will start smudging. But this ceramic, yeah. We love to see that or not see it because there's no fingerprints. It's not leaving any smudges. Let's see what else is in the box. We have, oh, a power brick. What a treat that is. And we have our USB-C cable to charge. Also a treat. And in here, oh, we have a case. Love that. Freaking, this is key, especially when I'm gonna take this thing out and start testing it. I don't trust myself. SIM card ejector, also love that. What's this? Premium service, exclusive benefits because I deserve it. Thank you. Let's get this thing powered on and start testing. The new OPPO Find X5 Pro features a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor for 30% more performance and 25% more power efficiency. It features a multi-tier cooling system that has a vapor chamber to keep the device cool under high-intensity workloads, like gaming. AI frame rate stabilization will also help control the temperature while keeping the game running as smooth as possible. This is a 5,000 milliamp hour dual-cell battery, which is the first smartphone to feature OPPO's new smart charging technology, Battery Health Engine. The number of charging cycles has been doubled to 1,600, giving this battery 2 times the lifespan compared to the industry standard. It even has reverse wireless charging, in case you need to share your battery with a friend in need. I also can't get over this really cool design. This ceramic backing is just incredible. It makes it feel really futuristic and sleek. The display is a 6.7-inch AMOLED with 120 Hz dynamic refresh rate, and it looks really incredible when you're gaming or watching content. Let's talk about the cameras because that is one of my favorite things to test out. This features a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera with a 110-degree field of view. There's a 50 megapixel wide camera and a 13 megapixel telephoto camera. These are using Sony's IMX766 sensors, which is allowing you to capture 10-bit video recording with up to 1 billion colors. Image stabilization is so important when it comes to handheld devices, and this has a first of its kind 5-axis optical image stabilization with a 3-axis sensor shift and 2-axis lens shift and 3-degree anti-shake. So what does that mean? That means way less shaky videos and blurry photos, and I am so here for that. OPPO partnered with Hasselblad to bring natural color calibration to your photos. There's a 13-channel spectral sensor that is located right here, and that will more accurately detect a scene's color spectrum, so the camera can better reproduce natural skin tones and colors. They also collaborated with top-tier Hasselblad photographers to develop a range of master filters, and these will instantly give your photos a professional color profile. Since we're on the topic of photography, we can't forget selfies. There is a front-facing 32 megapixel camera that is using the Sony IMX709 sensor to capture 60% more light. And with the new Mari Silicon X chip, it is able to process photos more accurately in challenging lighting conditions. Oh, also, if more than one person joins the frame, it'll automatically switch from 80 to 90 degrees, so none of your friends will be left out of the shot, unless of course you want them left out of the shot. Then you can just crop them out later. Something that I really like about this phone is it also has a log feature, so when I turn that on, I will be able to get greater control over the brightness, the colors, and I can actually color grade it how I want to color it. You can always color grade non-log footage, but the fact that this is an option and I can turn that on, I'm gonna try it out. Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? This is all shot not in log. Now, I'm gonna switch it to log so you can see the difference that all of the color is very desaturated, and that gives us a lot more flexibility to make this any of the colors that we want. I also like in these pro modes, I can adjust the aperture, the ISO, so this definitely gives you a lot more flexibility if you're in some very harsh lighting conditions like today. Ooh, we're outside testing out the new phone. I'm so excited. Jenna's back there filming for me. So we're gonna take some photos, we're gonna take some videos and see how it looks. Honestly, holding this phone in my hand and just the ceramic back of this thing is so beautiful. Like, I just wanna show everyone here, but I can't show them yet because technically this phone isn't out yet. Macro mode. We're so close to this tree. I can see your beginnings. I love this AI mode. It says I'm taking pictures of green plants, and you know what I'm doing? I'm taking pictures of green plants. This is dual video view. This is great. I really like this because if I want to get my reaction to something happening, like I can do that. Can you do the run through the ultra wide, the wide, the telephoto? What do we got, Jen? What's first? Okay, so as you're seeing here is ultra wide. I'm in the bushes. So this is 1x, this is the wide camera. Am I still in the bushes?
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool. What happens if we zoom in? Will I be out of the bushes?
Kinda, but not really.
Okay, yeah, we love that zoom. Just, you know.
You are in the shade though.
Well, yeah, because I'm under a tree. So there's also a really cool feature that has the Ultra Steady Pro, and when you put this on, it does have to crop in. It switches it to 60 frames a second, and it does drop it down to 1080, but this will allow you to get some really super steady shots. So even though this is 1080, a lot of times when you're mixing this in with YouTube videos, because of compression rates, and if you're just sending things to your friends and family, the fact that this is downgraded to 1080 is really not a big deal at all, especially if it's super steady, super smooth. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was so fun getting a chance to unbox this and give you guys some of my first impressions. I'm going to be posting some photos on my Instagram and on my Twitter if you guys want to check out some of the night features. I look forward to testing this out more, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Walking around. Now you see me. Now you still see me. Let's film some feet action.